So karon mga guys, nag-slice ko watermelon guys para imukbang na to guys. Patik-atik na nagmukbang pero para sa tanan dito dai. Samtang ka-slice the watermelon guys, kaya may gabantay na to. So makuha po tang ingkit sa ta kung tamis ba. Ug mao na to guys, man nag-slice ang mukha na to guys. Na guys, tamis siya guys. Sugod na tag mukbang og watermelon guys. Kinsay ganahan mo kaon dia. Dali na mo guys.
Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? I might lose my mind, waking when the sun's down, riding all these highs, waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me, I'm doing decently, just glad that I can breathe. Yeah, I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine on your own.
Tomorrow to guys, palagong pawang guys. Salamat sa inyong suporta guys. Thank you and God bless.